Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation. You need to begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for Auto-Rotate icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, my icon is blue. That means that auto-rotation is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and tap on display. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!